Grow as you go with the 2-in-1 Roll and Discover Roller Drum from VTech.
Hello! Let's play with sounds and music!
It's the ultimate companion for baby's developmental journey, featuring multiple activity areas on each side of the engaging roller. Sit and explore or crawl and discover. During tummy time, little ones will love the vivid colors, charming animals, and lively music, inspiring them to strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles. As they begin to crawl, little ones will love chasing the drum as it rolls along. Rolling and crawling get rewarded with fun sounds and music with the motion-activated roller. When sitting up independently, little ones will be thrilled to explore the variety of hands-on activities, refining motor skills as they play. Get the gears turning with rollers, beads, and a slider that curious babies will enjoy. Or tap into entertainment with the interactive drum and piano keys. Drum up discovery and meet developmental milestones through play with the 2-in-1 Roll and Discover Roller Drum from VTech.